Hey guys, welcome to my Bliss. Today I'm so excited to share with you that I am the newest sewing ambassador for Baby Lock sewing machines. This is so exciting to me. I love Baby Lock sewing machines and I'm so excited that I get to share them with you and show you guys all the tricks and tips for using your machine and what machine will work best for you and just all the things. So I hope you guys will join me on this journey. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notifications button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos and content, because I just think this is going to be a really fun year of learning and growing for me and for you guys. I really want to help you guys out and explore your sewing journey. So today I'm going to show you an unboxing. This is the Baby Lock Vibrant. It is the Serger in the Genuine collection. Their Genuine collection is their newest collection of sewing machines, and it's all about how their sewing machines, or Sergers in this case, make you feel. Crafting and sewing and creating is all about the feeling it brings and the connection it brings you together with people. And this one is called Vibrant. I really love that for the Serger, because sewing with a Serger is, once you learn it, it's empowering and it's just like this awe and just amazing moment. So I really believe that it is vibrant, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I also have unboxing videos, and I'm sure I'll have tons of tutorials and all this fun stuff coming out as well with the two sewing machines that I have as well. I have the Baby Lock Brilliant over on this side, and then on this side, this is the Baby Lock Zest. So even if you've never sewn before, I'm going to be showing you the best tips and tricks for beginners that have no idea what any of the parts are on the sewing machine. I'm going to be going over all of that. And then the Brilliant is going to be a little more advanced, not really, but a little more beginner. Is that a thing? Probably not. But I'm going to be talking all about all the tutorials, all the things, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. But for now, let's open this Vibrant and check it out. I'm so excited. This is going to be so much fun. Okay, so when you open up any sewing machine or any serger, you're going to find the manual either on the side or on the top. This one has it on the top. This one also has a cover that comes with it. So I'm going to set those off to the side. Make sure you don't throw any important pieces away. We have this cover piece, and then we also have the foot pedal. Now this is going to be how you make the serger, the sewing machine, whatever machine you have, go. So if you've never sewn before, make sure you don't lose this. It's very important. And it's also going to power the machine. This has the power cord in it. Here we go. We're going to check it out. Got lots of, lots of foam to protect it, keep it safe. I think I just threw some accessories on the ground, so I'm going to make sure to pick those up so I don't throw them away. But let's see if I can, okay, yeah, it has a handle right on the back, so I can easily pull that out, set that off to the side. Oh, smells so new and fresh. I'm so excited. Okay, and then we can just take the bag off. They do a really great job of making sure it's protected so that when you are either shipping it or bringing it home, it's not going to get hurt. So here we have the Vibrant Serger from Baby Lock, and it looks awesome. So this is a perfect beginner-friendly serger. If you've never sewn with a serger before, this is going to be the best option for you because it is so easy, basic, and I'm going to show you everything about it so that you will not be afraid of it, because sergers are so amazing. I love sergers. Okay, so I also have my bigger serger back here, so big fan of sergers, and I'm so excited to share this one with you. So this one does have tensions. It doesn't have the jet air threading, but I think that's actually really important when you're just starting learning a serger. I think it's important to learn how to thread it and figure out how it works. I, for the longest time, had a serger that's how it was. Like, I never had the jet air. I always had to thread it. And can it get frustrating? Yes. But you learn so much more and you grow so much more. And you almost become not afraid of the serger anymore, which I think is really important. So I'm so excited to share this one with you guys. Again, like I said before, make sure you subscribe and you have that notifications button turned on so that you can know when I come out with new tutorials on these machines. And this is going to be a really fun year sharing all these tutorials. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see any more tips or tricks or part of my everyday sewing life, you can check me out on Instagram at @mySewBliss. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!